Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn how to write algorithm to find product of first 10 natural numbers and draw flowchart for it. Here we have to find product of first 10 natural numbers using algorithm and flowchart. What is natural numbers? Natural numbers are positive integer. It start from 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Here we have to find product of first 10 natural numbers. So here 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10. Here we have to find product of first 10 natural numbers from 1 to 10. First we are going to write algorithm. Algorithm is a step-by-step process to solve a problem. Algorithm is always start with the start statement. So in step 1 we have to write the start statement. In step 2, here no need of reading input values because here we know that we have to find product of first 10 natural numbers. So numbers start from 1 till 10 we have to find a product, right? So here we have to declare some values, that is I and this product. Here we have to declare I is equal to 1, initial number. Here we have to declare I is equal to 1, that is initial number. Next, declare value of product. Here PROD, this variable represent product. Okay, so here initially product is equal to 1. So in step 2 we have to declare I is equal to 1 and product is equal to 1. Step 3. In step 3 we have to compare if I value less than or equal to 10. If I value less than or equal to 10, if this condition is true, if I less than or equal to 10, if this condition is true, we have to execute step 3.1. Here we have to find product. PROD, product. This variable represent product. Product into I. Here we have to calculate product value using formula product into I. PROD is equal to PROD into I. Step number 3.2. Here we have to increase the I value by 1. So I is equal to I plus 1. Initially I value is equal to 1, right? In next step we have to increase I is equal to I plus 1, that is initial I value is equal to 1. Next it become I plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 2. Each time I value increase by 1 here in step 3.2. Next go to step 3. Again we have to go to step number 3. Again here compare if I value less than or equal to 10. Here I value increase by 1, right? I value become 2. 2 is less than or equal to 10, right? Again it will execute step number 3.1 and step number 3.2 until this condition become false. If this condition is false, that is else, it will execute step number 4. Here we have to print product. Here we have to print our product value, that is output. Step number 5. We have to stop the algorithm using stop statement. Let's see how it works. Here initially I value is equal to 1, product is equal to 1, right? If I value less than or equal to 10, here I value is 1, right? 1 is less than 10, right? So it will execute product is equal to product into I. Product is equal to, what is the value of product here? Initially it is 1. 1 into I. I value is equal to 1. It becomes 1. And next step we have to increase the I value by 1. I is equal to I plus 1, that is I value is 1, right? 1 plus 1, it become 2. Here I value become 2, product is equal to 1, right? 1. Product is equal to, here check it, I value, that is 2, right? 2 is less than or equal to 10. True, right? 2 is less than 10. So it goes to 3.1. Here we have to calculate product is equal to product into I. Product is equal to 1, right? What is the value of I? 2. So product become 2. Here increase the I value by 1. That is I value is 2. 2 plus 1, it become 3. Here I value is equal to 3. Product is equal to 2. Again it will repeat until I value reaches to 11. 11, if I value become 11, here it check 11 is greater than 10, right? So it will come out of this loop and it goes to print product. In step number 4, it print a product and finally it will stop the algorithm. So guys, this is the algorithm to print product of first 10 natural numbers. Step 1 start. Step 2 we have to declare I value is equal to 1 and product is equal to 1. Step number 3, if I value less than or equal to 10, if this condition is true, then we have to execute step number 3.1, that is product is equal to product into I. Step number 3.2, we have to increase the value of I by 1. So I is equal to I plus 1. Next go to step number 3 again until this condition become false. If this condition is false, we have to execute else statement, that is step number 4. We have to print product. We have to print product value. In step number 5, we have to stop the algorithm using stop statement. Next we are going to draw flowchart. What is flowchart? Flowchart is a graphical representation of solved problem. Here we are using different shapes like geometrical shape like oval shape, diamond shape, rectangular, parallelogram, like that. Flowchart is always start with start statement. It is writing within a oval shape. Next we have to declare the value of I and product, right? Declaration is done within a rectangular shape. Within rectangular shape we have to declare I is equal to 1 and product is equal to 1. Declaration is done within a rectangular shape. Next we have to compare I with 10. Comparison is done within a diamond shape. Within diamond shape we have to write if I value less than or equal to 10. If I value less than or equal to 10, if this condition is true, we have to find a product, right? Calculation is also writing within a rectangular shape. Within that we have to write product is equal to product into I. Next we have to increase the I by 1. That is I is equal to I plus 1 and go back to here. To repeat this process, we have to go back to repeat this process until if I value less than or equal to 10. If this condition is false, we have to print output, right? Output is always writing within a parallelogram shape. Within parallelogram shape we have to print product. Next we have to stop the flowchart using stop statement. This is the oval shape. Within oval shape we have to write stop statement. So guys, this is the flowchart to find product of first 10 natural numbers. It is start with start statement. It is writing within a oval shape. Next we have to declare I is equal to 1 and product is equal to 1. It is writing within a rectangular shape. Next we have to compare. Comparison is done within a diamond shape. Within that we have to write if I value less than or equal to 10. If this condition is true, we have to calculate product value, that is product is equal to product into I. Next we have to increase the value of I by 1, that is I is equal to I plus 1, and go back to this comparison. If this condition is false, we have to print product. Output value C is writing within a parallelogram shape. Finally we have to stop the flowchart using stop statement. So guys, this is the flowchart and algorithm to find product of first 10 natural numbers. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. All the best.